Hi guys, welcome back to another stream, and as you can see, not only by the title as well as the thumbnail, we will be unboxing yet another Hermes package. And I know there's no ribbon on this, but that's because I've already had a check to make sure everything was okay, and it is. So, let's get on with it. And once again, it comes in this sort of packaging. Really nice. Okay, so that goes down like that. This bit goes up. Have we found it yet? No. Keep going. I'm glad it's really protected though. And I will pull it out of its box in a minute, but that's what it looks like. Take it out. There's literally nothing else in the box. Pop that to one side. And here's the pocket wallet itself. So before we open it, this is in Rose Sakura in Chev leather. And in my opinion, it's really similar to Swift because it's a really supple leather. And you can put several cards in this as well as cash. And on the back, space for coins. And also, as you can see, this is in palladium hardware. So we'll do this together. We'll just do the turn lock, open it like this. Got a bit of protective padding, and thanks to Luke already saying hi even before the stream begun. I appreciate that, thank you. Pull that, and it's a really simple piece, you know, so that's inside of it, and you can, as I say, literally put cards and cash into it, but it's going to be really good. And it's actually a rare colour as well with Rose Sakura. And sometimes I'll be using this, and other times, you've probably seen it before, is using my Calvi in Rose Azalea. And this already does have cards in, and whatever, so I'm not going to show you that. And Luke says, even though it is coming through as Tape Nerd, says nice colour as well. So while we're on the subject of colour, just to get an opinion, I know the two different styles, but which is your preferred colour? A lighter one or a slightly darker one? Let me know. Personally, I like both because because it depends what you really want to use it for. So if something quick and easy, if you're not going to be, for example, doing a lot of stuff during the day, I would take this. But if you're, for example, I don't know, taking a bag out with you as well, I would naturally take this one because I can put coins in it as well. Okay, so you prefer the darker one. That's fair. I actually like this anyway, but again, this is in different leather again, and I forget what leather it is offhand. I'd have to look that up. I think it might be goat skin, I'm not sure. But personally, I like both of them, but I'll probably be using this one going forward, you know. And it's really easy to fasten up, so you push it in like that, and to secure it, you just twist. And there's no way anyone's getting into that now. And nothing can fall out. I'm going to see if there's any plastic on this that I need to remove. There probably is. Just have a look. Yep, there's plastic on it. So that actually proves that it's brand new. And I didn't actually get this from the boutique. I actually got it from Eclair Atelier, which is where I got my Kelly to go from. they're really, really good consignment stores, so I'm going to put their link in the description if you want to check them out, and they give a fantastic service. So let's just pop this off. Bit of plastic. Any more that I've missed out? Yeah, there's some on the inside one as well. Second piece. Get off, sticking to my finger. Any more? Yeah, there's some on the turn lock as well. So we can quickly get this off. Your channel is growing well. Yeah, I appreciate that, because I don't know what actually happened the other day. You know, it's like I gained some, and then I like lost a lot, essentially overnight, and then I seem to have gotten them back again. But after looking through my analytics, and I don't talk about my analytics on the channel for too much, but just on 3 videos, I was getting a lot of views from search. So I think some of it's actually come from that. And also on this piece, what you can actually see is, I don't know if it will show on camera, but it says Hermes made in Paris. Let's see if I can get that to focus. I don't know if you can read that, but trust me, it is there. It's just in this writing here. So, but yeah, I'm really happy I got this piece, you know, because I was going to get a completely different colour. But when this came along, and it's actually a funny story to that, because I was actually interested in it, and I was going to get it, but I got told that somebody else had beaten me to it, and, you know, I was so deflated. But they said they'd keep me in mind if another piece came available. But luckily for me, they actually got back to me and said the other person, for whatever reason, no longer wants it. Most likely didn't pay. And it was immediately offered to me because they knew I was already interested, and it came within a few days. So, and I noted your comment saying you couldn't really see it properly, so I'm gonna give it another go. Is that better? Probably not, because of the shade of pink and it's silver. But yeah, I just wanted to give this obviously really quick unboxing on this, show you around the hardware and what have you, and pretty much say where I got it from. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and there actually will be more videos to come that are in the works, so look out for them, and I hope you enjoyed this stream. Am I planning on making more YouTube shorts? Yes. And one of them's coming out tonight, which means I'm going to have to get in touch with my editor. And there will actually be a short Halloween one, and that will be a Disney one for those that are interested, so subscribe for that. And if you want to see future Hermes unboxing videos, whether it's just being a one or multiple ones, subscribe and like for that as well. And I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, and you can't wait for that video. Cheers, thanks.